to my channel. My name is Akshita, and if you're new here, please do consider subscribing. So for today's video, I'm gonna talk about my skincare routine for acne prone skin, like for how to keep your skin healthy and avoid unnecessary acne. So if you're interested in any of these things, then keep on watching. Today I'm going to talk and review the products from the brand Pilgrim. So Pilgrim has launched some of the newest arrivals which works wonders for acne prone skin. Their products are cruelty free, sulfate free and paraben free. They are based on a Korean formulation but are made in India, which is such an amazing thing. Also, they are 100% vegan brand and their products are gender neutral as well. So starting off with the first product which I have is the AHA PHA peeling solution, which has a concentration of 25% AHA, 2% BHA and 5% PHA with glycolic acid, salicylic acid and lactic acid infused. Okay, so I must say the packaging is quite nice and aesthetic looking and has a very soothing mild fragrance of aloe vera in it, which I quite like. It is recommended for all skin types and helps in reducing blemishes, marks, also provides a clear skin and exfoliates dead skin cells. So its application is very easy. You just have to use 2 or 3 drops on the cleansed skin and it get absorbed very fast within 30 to 60 seconds only. Then wash off within 10 minutes after application and there you get smooth and gentle looking skin. So the next product is their oil-free moisturizer with billow bark, hyaluronic acid and niacinamide in it, like all good things in one. And dare I say about the fragrance, oh my god, it is such a soothing, calming scent which just relaxes your mind. Also the packaging is quite sturdy and it comes with a lid inside. It can be used by any skin type but works best for like oily or acne prone skin. Also the texture is very smooth, lightweight with intense hydration and helps in fading blemishes and minimizing pores. And you can use this product on the face as well as on the neck after cleansing and toning, followed by a broad spectrum sunscreen, and you are sorted for the day. So the last product which I have is their Zip Zapper Anti-Acne Gel, which is the last step of the skincare routine. The bottle comes with a lid which protects the gel from getting ruined and it reduces active acne spots and lightens scars and blemishes as well. You just have to dot over the acne and literally you're done. It can also be applied as a thin layer on the problematic areas like dark spots, blackheads, whiteheads, or any other discolorations that you have. Also, it contains 2% salicylic acid, which is so good for oily and acne prone skin. And there's also, don't forget to use the coupon code that we have, which can give you a 15% off on all the products. And all the links are mentioned in the description box below, so do check them out. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to check out the links which are in the description box below. And stay safe until we meet next time. Bye.